After 60, poor circulation doesn't just make your feet cold. It quietly increases your risk of falling, weakens your balance, and slowly steals your confidence when you walk. And here's something most people are never told. One specific drink can noticeably improve blood flow in your legs within hours. Not weeks. Not months. Hours. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what happens inside your body in the first 24 hours after drinking it, why your circulation may have worsened even if you followed all the so-called expert advice, and I'll rank 10 popular drinks from worst to best so you know what actually works and what's just hype. But before we go any further, I want to know something. From which country or city are you watching this video? Leave a comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I read your comments, and I love seeing how this community is growing all around the world. And if you care about staying strong, mobile, and independent after 60, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Every week, I share simple, science-backed tips to help you protect your health naturally. Now let's understand what's really happening inside your legs. After age 60, your body produces significantly less nitric oxide, sometimes up to 70% less than when you were younger. Nitric oxide is the molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. When levels drop, arteries become stiff and narrow. Blood has a harder time reaching your feet and lower legs. This isn't just about cold toes. Reduced circulation means your muscles get less oxygen, waste products build up more quickly, nerves don't function as well, and fatigue increases. Over time, balance suffers and the risk of falling rises. Most people are told to take aspirin, elevate their legs, or simply walk more. And yes, those steps can help a little. But they mostly manage symptoms. They don't address the real issue, declining nitric oxide production. Here's the encouraging part. This decline is not simply old age. Your body can still produce nitric oxide if you give it the right nutrients. Certain drinks contain natural nitrates or compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide. When that happens, blood vessels relax, sometimes within minutes. As arteries widen, blood flow to your legs improves. Many people feel warmth returning, less heaviness, and reduced cramping within hours. Over time, consistent support can improve endurance and overall comfort. Now let's go through the drinks, starting from the least effective and working our way to the most powerful. At number 10 is plain water. Staying hydrated is essential because dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation. But water alone doesn't significantly increase nitric oxide levels. It may improve blood flow slightly, but it won't dramatically change leg circulation. Think of water as the foundation, necessary, but not a targeted solution. Number 9 is green tea. Green tea contains antioxidants that support blood vessel health. Some research suggests modest improvements in vascular function with consistent use over several weeks. However, the effects are gradual and not dramatic for leg circulation specifically. Also, caffeine may cause mild vessel tightening in some individuals. If you drink green tea, avoid boiling water, as very high heat can reduce beneficial compounds. Number 8 is tart cherry juice. Tart cherry contains plant compounds that may reduce inflammation and support blood vessel relaxation. Some studies show improved circulation after regular use. The drawback is sugar. Many tart cherry juices contain high natural sugar levels, which may not be ideal for people managing blood sugar levels. If you choose it, dilute it and avoid drinking large amounts at once. Number 7 is pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is rich in antioxidants that may help protect nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly. This can support healthier blood vessels. However, like cherry juice, it can be high in sugar and relatively expensive. While beneficial, it's not always the most practical daily option. Number 6 is a drink made from pure unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa contains flavonols that stimulate nitric oxide production. Research suggests cocoa can meaningfully improve blood flow when consumed regularly. The key is using pure, unsweetened cocoa, not sugary hot chocolate mixes. If needed, add a calorie-free sweetener to improve taste without raising blood sugar. Number 5 is watermelon juice. Watermelon contains L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts into nitric oxide. Studies suggest watermelon may improve arterial flexibility and circulation. Many people report feeling warmer feet within a few hours. The limitation is that fresh watermelon may not be available year-round. Number 4 is hibiscus tea. Hibiscus supports the health of the endothelium, the inner lining of blood vessels. Several studies suggest it may help lower blood pressure and support better circulation. It's affordable and easy to prepare. However, because it can lower blood pressure, those already taking blood pressure medication should consult a healthcare professional before drinking it regularly. Number 3 is fresh celery juice. Celery is rich in natural nitrates. Your body converts these nitrates into nitric oxide through a process that begins in your mouth. This is why overusing strong antiseptic mouthwash can reduce some of the benefits. Fresh celery juice can support improved blood flow, but it requires preparation and a juicer, and the taste isn't everyone's favorite. Number 2 is an arugula smoothie. Arugula is extremely high in natural nitrates. Blending it with berries and unsweetened almond milk can make it easier to drink. Consistent intake of nitrate-rich leafy greens has been associated with improved vascular function over time. It requires regular effort, but it can be very effective. And number 1 is beetroot juice. Beets are one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. An 8-ounce glass of pure beetroot juice provides a concentrated dose that your body efficiently converts into nitric oxide. Research shows improved blood flow, reduced arterial stiffness, and better walking endurance in older adults who consume beet juice consistently. Many people notice warmer legs within hours and reduced cramping within days. For best results, drink about 8 ounces on an empty stomach in the morning and wait 30 minutes before eating. Choose pure juice with no added sugar. If your urine turns pink, that can be a harmless effect called bituria. Anyone with a history of kidney stones should consult a healthcare provider before regular use because beets contain oxalates. If you want a simple plan, start with beetroot juice in the morning. In the afternoon, you can add hibiscus tea or celery juice. If you're motivated, include an arugula smoothie several times per week. Consistency matters more than perfection. Within a few days, many people notice warmer legs and less heaviness. Within a few weeks, walking often feels easier and more comfortable. Avoid a few common mistakes. Don't drink nitrate-rich beverages with a heavy meal, since absorption is better on an empty stomach. Don't use strong antiseptic mouthwash immediately afterward. Never stop prescribed medications without medical guidance. And always choose versions without added sugar. Circulation decline is common with aging, but it's not completely unavoidable. Modern diets often lack nitrate-rich vegetables that earlier generations ate regularly. By reintroducing these nutrients, you may support your body's natural ability to maintain healthy blood flow. If you decide to try this approach, commit to 30 days of consistency. Pay attention to how your legs feel, how steady you are when walking, and how your endurance changes. Small daily habits can lead to meaningful improvements over time. And remember, your health is built one decision at a time.